guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. Winters are going on and in today's video we are going to try and test few of the viral winter fashion and lifestyle hacks which are all over the social media and are very popular on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. So in this video we'll find out if they really work or not. So let's start. In winters, the eyeglasses keep getting foggy from time to time and it can get really annoying as you have to keep wiping off this fog. So our hack number 1 claims that you can make your glasses fog proof by taking some dish soap on a soft cloth and rubbing this on the lenses of your glasses. You then have to let it stay like this for 15 minutes, after which you take a microfiber cloth which you get with your glasses and buff your glasses with it. And according to this hack, now your glasses have become fog proof. So let's test it by placing our eyeglasses over a bowl of steaming hot water. And well, the glasses are still getting foggy. In fact, we tested this hack twice to make sure that we had applied the soap really well, but both times we got the same result. So according to us, this hack is a fail. The hack number 2 is a recent and quite a popular one, and with this hack you can wear a boring cardigan as a smart jumper. So let's test it. So you have to put on your cardigan from the front like this. And for the back you have to take a bangle or a bracelet and put it over the two sides of the cardigan. And then you have to pull these two sides and bring these to the front. But well, with my own cardigan I am not really able to bring these around. However, I have a feeling that should work with a bigger size cardigan. So here I've got my husband's cardigan, so let's try it out with this. And well, this time around I'm able to bring the sides of the cardigan to the front. After this you have to join these two by closing the button and then pull the top part of your sweater down to hide this joint. And here you go! Your boring cardigan has turned into a smart jumper with a stylish back. So according to me, this hack works. Oh, by the way, now that I'm wearing this sweater and a t-shirt underneath, so there's one thing that came to my mind and I must share it with you all. So many of us think that during winters, because of the cold weather, our underarms don't sweat and smell, and therefore we don't end up using any odor control products. But this is not so at all. In fact, try smelling your underarms right now, and even though the weather is cold at your place, your underarms will still contain odor if you haven't applied any form of odor control product, that is. This is because in winters we put on so many layers of clothes like I am doing right now, and this makes it difficult for underarm skin to breathe under all these layers and hence it sweats. So one product that I use during winters and would definitely recommend to you all is Nivea Roll-On. It will not only give you long-lasting body odor control, but it will also take care of your delicate underarm skin, which is one area that we always forget to take care of during the harsh, trying cold weather. So I prefer this product during winters because it is very mild and gentle on the skin, as it has 0% alcohol, and it also has pearl extracts which take care of your delicate underarm skin. And now coming to hack number 3, this is about wearing a loose oversized sweater as a dress with straps. So for this, first of all, take your arms out of the sleeves of the sweater and then cross over the sleeves at the back. My god, even if this hack works, it is definitely not as easy to do as they made it seem in the original video. Anyway, after bringing these to the front, you have to attach these to the main part of the sweater with the help of safety pins like this. And well, now the dress with the straps is ready. I'm just throwing over a belt to give it a little more shape around the waist area. And well, it seems okay till now, but let us check it from the back. And it definitely looks very shabby and untidy at the back, and also this hack was so difficult to do on your own. So according to me, this hack is a fail. Time for hack number 4. Now in winters, due to the fog and mist in the air, our shoes often tend to get wet. So you avoid wearing fabric shoes because fabric shoes are not waterproof. So as a result, your socks and feet also get wet and you tend to feel cold. Now this hack claims to make the shoes waterproof by rubbing candle on these. So we'll try this hack on this shoe while we let the other shoe be as it is so that we can compare these later on. Okay, so take any type of candle and rub it well on the fabric part of your shoe. So as you can see, the fabric is getting covered with a layer of wax. Do this everywhere so that the entire fabric part of the shoe gets covered with wax. Next, take a blow dryer and blow some hot air all over the shoe. You will see that the white layer will begin to disappear as the wax starts melting. So now this is the shoe which is covered with wax, while this is the one which is not covered with wax. And now we'll test these two by putting both of these under water. So as expected, the shoe without wax has got completely wet. Whereas for the one with wax, water is falling off it instead of getting absorbed into the fabric. Let me show it to you more closely with the help of a water dropper. So here you can see that the water droplets are getting absorbed into the shoe without wax, whereas in case of shoe with wax, the drops are falling right off it instead of getting absorbed. So this hack definitely makes a fabric shoe waterproof and hence it works. Finally, coming to hack number 5. This one is also quite popular and talks about wearing a winter shirt as a skirt. For this, you have to first of all open up all the buttons of your shirt, and then you have to put it around your waist, actually a little higher up than the waist area, and then close the third or the fourth button from the top and twist it around to bring the backside of the shirt in the front. You could have actually closed down all the buttons of the shirt before turning it around, but it would have made twisting the shirt all the more difficult, and you can see how much I am struggling with it already. Anyway, adjust the shirt a bit, take the sleeves to the back, cross them over and again bring these to the front, and then join these together by closing both the buttons on the cuffs of the sleeves like this. And then to hide this sleeves part, pull out your t-shirt or sweater that you are wearing, and there you go. Your skirt is now supposed to be ready, but I feel that it looks very untidy from the back. So according to me, this hack is a fail. So I hope that you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.